Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Gaggia classic espresso machine. This machine was brought here because pretty much it was not dispensing a lot of water and it needed to be repriming, and it just had very low pressure, and that was because the solenoid valve, which we no longer have this part, but we pretty much is that little part over here, needed to be replaced. And after replacing that solenoid valve, well, the machine is working perfectly fine. Hopefully I got the grind set up correctly, and yep, might need to be a little bit more finer just to get that nice really consistency, but as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. Good flow. And now for, there you go, working nice, great. We also replaced the we also replaced the gasket on here. Keep the shower screen pretty much a good cleaning. And let me just show you the pictures over here of how it was. Okay, here they are. As you can see, it looks really bad in there. It was just extremely dirty and just didn't look very good. But after a good cleaning, now the machine is working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for playing with Kanen Coffee, and I have to put this machine back together. Thank you for playing with Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.